Okay, how about this? We'll go out and have a real night up after you win the Nationals.
Yeah. Well, after I win the Nationals.
You're going to fly in the Nationals after all? Well, I'm glad to hear it. That's the landing day. Huh?
You said there were a few bumps.
Well, she folded like a kite when she hit the runway. Thought old Clippy's number was up. Wasn't firing on.
What, it grab you?
I was going to tell you. I didn't want to ruin your evening.
Thank you. It's very thoughtful of you. You'd rather make a fool out of me?
I'm sorry.
I don't want you to be sorry, Cliff. I want you to stop treating me like a stranger.
Oh, that was me just
When something goes wrong, I should be the first to
telling the snake to fucking grab it.
Jim, everyone knows because they were at the airfield.
The reason why I got the flashlight on, because the normal light hasn't come on.
I understand. Just like the last time when I
Oh yeah, I'm gonna bother and I'm actually doing a recording of my snake eating.
Good night, Millie.
If you want me to do a recording of the snake biting me, hit that like and subscribe button.
Well, go after her, you dope. Get it!
Sorry. I really...
Stop it, Alfred. It's okay. It's all right. Not you.
Try and grab some, put it in here. And that's what happens when the snake eats. So thank you for watching and bye bye.